Hi friends, I am Ghoderav Shitaleshwar. I will discuss about topic from patent, subject from research methodology. So introduction, I will discuss about patent, uh, procedure of patenting of biological material, who can get a patent, what can be patented, what can be patented, advantages of patent. So patent. A patent is a type of IPR. IPR means intellectual property right, which is scientific investigation, product and process, which shows a technical advancement over the already known product. For an invention to be patentable, it must be new, that is it should not already exist in the current knowledge anywhere in the world, that is not in public domestical any form before the filing of patent application. It must be non obvious to any person who is skilled in the relevant field of technology. Finally, must be capable of industrial application, that is capable of being used or manufactured in the industry. Patent is a right granted to the inventor by the government for a specific period of time, which prevent to anyone as a firm manufacturing or selling the invention. This is fulfill condition in capable for potent act on registration. It must be new, should not already exist current knowledge. It must be non obvious to any person. It must be capable of industrial application, that is capable of being used or manufactured in the industry. So this is patent. So next, who can get a patent? There are five types: research scientist, business owner, professional or employer, master and PhD holder, and student. Research scientist, which a new concept of formula, business owner with an idea or a product, professional or employer with new idea or software, master degree, PhD degree, research project or and to be and student with an intent to learn more about patent. What can be patented? An idea, invention, formula that is unique and has its usefulness can be patented. So, what can't be patented? Uh, it can't be any natural law, for example, gravity, any natural thing like water, land, etc. Any abstract idea like mathematics or philosophy, it can't be patented. Procedure of patenting. There are completely fast step of patenting procedure: patent search, file preparation, file review, draft application, examination review. So first, patent search. There are search invention, duplicating search. This search by a professional toolist is government database. Second, file preparation. The file preparation in the fill in the invention to detail the all procedure of invention. Third, file review. The inventor eligibility criteria are review. That is invention patentable, yes or no. The fourth, draft application. India draft are available in Delhi Dwarka sector 14 by application submit. Application, there are two types: invention completed and provisional application. For fifth, examination review. The examiner check in novelty, that is invention unique, invention are useful, or invention are anybody mind inset, yes or no, the granted of your patent. Advantages of patent. First, popularity. Second, financial benefit. Application of the invention can garner her financial benefit to inventor. The benefit of for getting a patent. Patent is a popularity, financial benefit. Can shall the patent give a license or to other. Application of the invention can garner her financial benefit to inventor. So last one is patenting biological material and biotechnology. A biological patent invention is the field of biology that by law allow the patent holder to exclude other from making, using or importing the protected inventions for a limited period of time. A standard patent can be obtained for isolated bacteria, cell, and hybridoma, some related biological material and their use, and genetically manipulated organism. Example: a potential invention include the bacteria and other prokaryotic fungi include yeast, protozoa, plasmid, and viruses. But some say that living material occur naturally and there are cannot be patented. It is important to protect the culture and biological diversity of developing nation while attempting to strengthen their intellectual property of system. Many recent agreement and agreement and events have agreement and event have addressed developing countries and the expansion of scope of patentable material. Prominent historical examples such as patent include those on adrenaline, insulin, vitamin B12, various genes. But a landmark ruling by the US Supreme Court in June 2013 declared a naturally occurring DNA sequence ineligible for patent. So, I hope you understand the topic from patent. Thank you.